To penetrate and survive in the global market today, B2B tech companies have to invest in their creative department for the development of a healthy marketing strategy. Social media marketing has taken the lead in most of these companies as a part of a healthy marketing strategy. LinkedIn is one of the leading programs. Today we're going to focus especially on LinkedIn. Well, it helps in optimizing the company's profile. The photo you add should be exceptional and one that accurately depicts the brand of your B2B tech company and the message you want to pass on to your target audience. Put the links and descriptions of services and products that you provide in the Products and Services tab. Ask your LinkedIn members to give reviews of your products and use these reviews to act as testimonials. You should consider upgrading your LinkedIn profile. The free LinkedIn package is limited in terms of features that would be needed by a B2B tech company. Find the LinkedIn package that suits your B2B tech company from the several different packages available. You should also use the advanced search option. The advanced search option for LinkedIn has great filters to help the user narrow their search options. In LinkedIn, if one searches for B2B tech firms offering specific services, the search bar locates the exact firm, service, or professional. Utilizing the LinkedIn groups effectively. Joining existing LinkedIn groups. Take your time while filling out your profile and joining a few of the many groups that are in the same industry as your company. Join a few groups that you can be able to keep up with. You could also create your own company's group. Once you have joined groups and understood how they work, you should go ahead and open a group for your own company. The group acts as an attraction to personal clients, relationships, and investors who may be interested in a specific business case. Well, you should focus on converting visitors into potential customers with LinkedIn lead gen forms. Using lead gen forms removes the need for those forms that require to be filled manually. When visitors click on your page, data from their profile automatically populates a form. Well, you could also turn your company page into a lead generation page. If you have a SaaS software, tips about how users can connect to it and its benefits should be priority of the page. Consumers and other users visiting the page should be able to generate new ideas on development and use of the application. The potential customers will see this and it will lead to the generation of more sales. Well, I would suggest for you to create content that ignites conversation. Not only should your team learn how to create content, but it should learn how to write content that will stand out of the hundreds of thousands of blogs that are published on LinkedIn every week. Since the new feed only shows a part of the content, you should aim at creating a concrete headline that will act as a clickbait to intrigue clients and make them want to see more of that same content. For more such information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.